Okay, hi friends. In this particular video, I will give you a brief idea about logical instructions of 8086. Let us see what are the various logical instructions. See here, we have many logical instructions are there. Again, for writing any assembly language programming, we need logical instructions also equally important in addition to arithmetic as well as data transfer instructions. So general syntax for logical instructions also mnemonic, destination, comma, source. So I have many logical instructions are there like AND logic, OR logic, XOR logic, similarly NOT logic, and some rotate instructions are there. Okay, similarly shift instructions are there. Let us see in detail how we can analyze logical instructions. Coming to first one, AND logic. Okay, so what is the meaning of AND logic? So in AND logic, the mnemonic is AND operation. Here the source content is performing AND operation with destination content and result is stored in the destination. It's the actual syntax. Let us see syntax once. Syntax is AND space destination comma source. Here destination may be register or memory location, source may be register or memory location. So one must be if you take source and destination both are registers, or source and destination both are registers, or one is register and other is memory also, we can perform AND operation easily. Or a destination may be register, source may be data also, we can perform. So source may be either register or memory or data, destination also accordingly register or memory. Okay, let us see the truth table for AND logic. So in AND logic we have two inputs and one output. So let us see, for two inputs we have four combinations 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Let us see for 0 0 for AND logic output is see for AND logic output is 1 only when both inputs are ones. So here when both inputs are ones, then only output is 1. Otherwise if any one input is 1, in that case also output is 0. Only whenever both inputs are ones, then only output is 1. So consider for example, take two numbers. One number is AL equal to 20H, other number is BL equal to 30H. Now let us see perform AND operation AL comma BL. Let us see what happens. Here the AL BL data is performing AND operation with AL and result is stored in AL. Let us see first 20H. Okay, this is the binary equivalent at 20H. So 0010, there's a binary equivalent for 2 and 0 equivalent binary is 4 zeros. In XOR representation, every XOR number is equivalent to 4 binary. So 2 equivalent binary is 0010. Similarly, 0H equivalent binary is 40. Similarly, 30 equivalent binary representation is 0011 and 4 zeros. Now, according to truth table of AND, whenever both inputs are ones, see here this is 20 and this is 30. So where we get output 1, whenever both inputs are 1, then only output is 1. So remaining case is 0. So the equivalent hex of this particular 8-bit number is 20H. So now the register AL, after performing AND operation, the register AL receiving 20H data. Like that AND operation is performing. Now let us see OR operation or OR logic instruction. So in OR logic also the syntax is OR, same, destination comma source. Here also the source and destination maybe both are registers, maybe one is register and other is memory, or maybe one is register and other is data also, it will consider. Okay, here also the source content is performing OR operation with the destination content and result is stored in the destination. Let us say this is the truth table for OR logic. So in OR logic also we have two inputs and one output. So here also because of two inputs we have four combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So in OR logic the output becomes 1 if any one input is 1. See here if any one input is 1, here, okay, here also if at least one input is 1, output is 1. That's why except 0 0 combination, the remaining three combinations output is 1. Take same example, take AL equal to 20H, BL equal to 30H. Okay, so now if you perform OR operation, so your result is here one input is 1, so 0 1. So one input, at least one input is 1, output 1. Here both inputs are 1s also, output is 1. At least one input is must be 1. So Luckily 2 are 1s, output is 1. So the equivalent X of this result is 30H. So if you perform R operation of 20 with 30, result is 30H. So your AL now receiving 30H after performing R operation. Coming to XOR logic. So XOR logic syntax also same. Mnemonic is XOR destination comma source. XOR destination comma source, same. Here also the destination and source. One must be register, other must be memory. Similarly, one must be register and other must be register also, or one is register and other is data also. So for example, source is data, destination must be register. For example, source is a memory location, destination must be registered. So both are registers are also possible. Like that we have combinations of destination and source. Now this is the truth table for XOR logic. In XOR logic, the output becomes 1 only when both inputs are of opposite type. See here 0-0 combination, both inputs are of same type, output 0. In 1-1 combination also both inputs are same type, so output is 0. So when output is 1, if both inputs are of opposite type, 0-1, 1 combination, so output is 1. 1-0 also 1. So both inputs are of opposite type, then only output is 1. So if you perform same numbers, exclusive OR operations, here one is 20H, other is 30H, same examples I'm taking. AL is 20H, for example, BL is 30H. If you perform XOR operation, what happens in this combination? Output 1. Remaining combinations, both inputs are of same, output is 0. So we got result is 10H. So AL receiving 10H. In this particular case, if you perform XOR operation, now zeros becomes 1. So syntax is simply not destination. So register or memory location. The destination content becomes complementary. Ones becomes zeros and similarly zeros becomes ones. So for example, input is 0, then output is 1. Input is 1, then output is here. Input is 1, then output is 0. Like that. Okay. Similarly, let us see other instructions, rotate instructions. Till now we observed just AND, OR, XOR, and NOT only. Let us see what is the functioning of rotate instruction. Here we have different types of rotate instructions are there. So one is called it as ROR. ROR is rotate right operation. ROL is rotate left operation. RCL is rotate left through carry. RCR is rotate right through carry. This C indicates carry. So now in these two cases, the bits are rotating through carry, whereas in these two cases, bits are rotating without rotation of carry. So without affecting carry, only the main bits means LSB to MSB bits only rotating according to condition. Rotate up any rotate instructions, maybe ROL, maybe ROR, L or ROR or RCL. All mnemonics syntax is RO or ROL same. We can use either ROR or ROL or RCL or RCR, depends on the requirement. Space destination comma count. So here what is the meaning? For example, I'm taking ROR instruction. So ROR destination comma count. So what is the meaning? So here the content of destination is rotating right side by this many count bits. For example, my count is 3. Then automatically the content of destination is rotating right side by 3 bits. Similarly, if it is ROL, left side by 3 bits, like that. So the syntax for rotate instruction is in general rotate, maybe if it is R right, ROR, left, ROL, through carry, RCL, or RCR, destination comma count. Count should be a specific number. With that particular count, the destination content is rotating either right side or left side, with carry, without carry. Okay, let us see one example, we can understand. See here ROR AL comma 03. So here in this particular instruction, AL content is rotating right side by how many bits? 3 bits. For example, my AL is 30H. See here AL is 30H. What is equivalent to binary? So 0011 for 3 and 0H is 40. So 30 equivalent to binary is 0011 4 zeros. Now our aim is we should rotate this AL content 3 bits right side. Let's see first bit rotation. So right side means in which way it is rotating. So see here this bit is rotating 1 bit into right side. See, this is the right side rotation, right side. So right side means like this rotating. So first, which bit will go to MSB side? So this 0 bit will go to MSB bit side. So already MSB bit is 0, then this bit will occupy this space and the remaining bits are adjusted accordingly. See here, if this 0 comes into MSB position, the remaining bits are adjusted accordingly. See, if this 0 comes here, what are the remaining bits? 0 here, 0, 0, 1, 1. So that's why 0, 0, 1, 1 comes next. Remaining, what are the remaining? If this bit is comes to this side, what are the remaining bits here? 3. That's why 3 zeros will appear. Okay, so this LSB bit comes into MSB bit side and remaining bits are rotating accordingly. So coming to second bit rotation. So now in second bit rotation time, so after completion of first bit rotation, this is the position. So now in second bit rotation, this 0 will comes into MSB bit and remaining bits will move accordingly. See, this 0 comes here. Then remaining bits here, this bits here, this bits will comes here. Accordingly, if the 0 comes into this side, 2 zeros only. So then remaining are adjusting. So now in third bit rotation, this 0 comes into MSB position and remaining bits are adjusting accordingly. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Like that. This total 30H is now rotating 3 bits into right side. So after rotating 3 bits into right side, what is equivalent hexa? 0. This is 6. So 0, 6H. So then AL, after performing rotate right operation of AL with 0, 3, your AL result is 0, 6H. Finally, we get 0, 6H if you perform rotate right. This is without carry. So here only LSB to MSB bit only it will rotate. No carry. So whether the carry is 0 or 1, immaterial. Carry may not rotate here in this particular instruction. If you write RCR here, for example, RCR. In that case, what happens? For example, carry initially 0, then this LSB bit will occupy carry's place. Then carry value will move to MSB side. Accordingly, all are adjusting. Okay. So now that is through carry. This is without carry. Similarly, ROL also. Let us see what is ROL. So ROL is rotate left. Same destination is rotating left side by 0, 3 count. Same, for example, I'm taking same 30H AL with 30H value. So 30H means let us see same 0, 0, 1, 1, 4 zeros. Initially AL is with value 30H. Now let us see what is rotate left. Rotate left means here. This is the rotation left side. Means MSB bit will occupy LSB position. Then remaining bits will adjust accordingly. So here MSB bit will occupy LSB position and remaining bits. Remaining bits means this 0 comes into this side, then remaining will adjust accordingly, occupies remaining space. Let us see here first bit rotation. This 0 comes into this position. So remaining, what are the remaining 1, 2, 3 zeros? See 1, 2, 3, 0. See here, this 0 occupies here. Okay, this 0 occupies here. Originally, how many bits are there here? 4 zeros. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Next 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. Already this 0 comes this place. Now in second 0 will occupies this place. See, that's why this 0 comes into this place. Already how many zeros are there? Originally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why 5 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. 1, 1 will comes here. Next bit rotation, this 1 will occupies LSB position. So this 1 will occupies LSB position. And remaining bits adjust accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. See, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then 1 comes into next position. This 1 comes into this position. Like that, the 3 bits are rotating in the left side. What is equivalent to hexa for this result? 8 here, 1 here. So total result is 81H. So AL now receiving 81H if you perform rotate left operation for 3 bits. So now RCL is nothing but rotate left through carry. Here in this example, bit value will move to LSB, then remaining will adjust accordingly. Instead of moving MSB bit into LSB, carry bit value will be moved to MSB. Carry bit value is moved to LSB and remaining bits are adjusting accordingly if it is a through carry. Now other instruction is a shift instruction. Shift instruction means we can simply shifting the position. Shift. See here also we have 4 types: shift left, shifting left side, similarly shift right. Okay, similarly shift left through carry, shift left, shift right through carry. So SAL and SAR, these two related to carry, shifting left side and right side. Here also let's say syntax, same instructions we are writing. We can use any one mnemonic, not all. depends on our requirement, only one mnemonic we are using. So if it is a right, we have one type. Then similarly here also destination comma count. So count should be a number. So in that number we are mentioning how many bits we are shifting, either into left side or right side, with carry or without carry here. AL comma 0. So what is the meaning? So the destination content is shifting 3 bits into right side. Let us see just for a change, I am taking AL with 35H now. So let us see 35, what is equivalent to binary 0011 for 3 and 5 equivalent binary 0101. For first bit shifting right side. Shifting right side means so this side. Shifting right side means if you observe, shifting right side means like this. Shifting left means reverse, remember. Now this side. So this side we are shifting. See here, originally it's a 35. Now if whenever first bit is shifting into right side, then what happens? This 0 is now shifting into right side. Then what happens? This 0 will comes to MSB bit position comes to next highest position. Okay. Then remaining bits are adjusting accordingly. See here, this 0 comes to this place. Then what are the remaining bits here? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. See here, after shifting this bit into next position, the remaining bits write accordingly. See here, 0 up to this. So these bits are appeared here. See here, 0, 1, 1. See here, 0, 1, 1 up to this. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So this one will come out of the LSB range. So this one will go out because of shifting right side. Next second bit shifting means this 0 will appear into this side. Then this one comes into LSB position and this 0 will go out. Similarly, if third bit is shifting, what happens? This 0 comes into this side. Then this 1 will go out. Then this 0 will comes into LSB side. Like that shifting is possible. Shifting means just completely bits are shifting from one point to other point. Okay, now overall answer for this is 0. This is 6, 06H. So AL becomes now 06H. Let us see other one, shift left. Same operation, now reverse, shift left. Like this, shift left. Shift left means what happens? Let us see. Same. Here also I am taking AL with a 35H and we are assuming that the content of AL is shifting 3 bits into left side. Here also I am taking same 35. Now let us see first bit shifting. What happens now? This one LSB bit, previously MSB we are considering. Now this LSB is changing into next position. So this one comes here. Okay, this one's place now because after shifting no value here. That's why it is 0. 1 comes here and remaining bits are occupying next positions. Here 0, 1, 0 occupies next 0, 1, 0. Then this 1, 1, 0, 0 occupies next 1, 1, 0. So there is no place for this 0. So this 0 will coming out. Okay. Next second bit position also same. This 0 will occupies this position. Then remaining bits will come accordingly. Then at that time this 0 will go out. We get this position. Similarly, in third case also this 0 comes into next position and remaining bits will occupy next positions accordingly. At that time this one will go out. Only one, this one will appear as a MSB bit. Then this is the answer. What is the answer for this? 8 plus 2 means 10. 10 means in hexa A. So 1000 means 8. So answer for this problem is A8H. So your AL now receiving A8H. So now these two related to without carry, shifting left side or right side without carry. If it is with carry, what happens here? Carry is present. Okay, now this MSB value will be entered into after shifting. MSB value will enter into carry and carry value will be coming out. Okay, it will go out. Now this carry value will be going out, same position. So that is for left. If it is right, what happens? Carry value will enter into MSB, then LSB value will going out. Okay, same procedure we can analyze. This is about logical instructions of 8086. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Okay, if you are happy with this particular video, kindly like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you so much.